welcome back and part 7 of how to create an epic Discord server for your YouTube channel. Let's start, guys. Under welcome category there is a plus sign, create channel. So we are going to be focusing on another channel under welcome category, and this time it's called about your YouTube channel name. Here you will write your YouTube channel name. So I'm writing this at the present moment, and like this, and then create channel, and here I'll paste the template, my friends. You can add more things as well. For example, you can say I'm going to change this your YouTube channel name, brand, your brand, official official Twitch, official Twitter, and what do you call it, official YouTube, brand, official YouTube, and similarly Facebook group, also other social media websites as well. So you can change these. They are already over here, and at the present time I am adding my my Discord server link. At the end you will add your Discord server link. This already I have talked about, very important. So you can add your Discord server link at the end over here. So this was point number 7. Point number 8 coming right up.